All right, y'all, time for the tutorial for Buttons by the Pussycat Dolls featuring Snoop Dogg. Let's get started. We're gonna start with a little side simple step. It goes single, single, double. We're gonna use this just to get into the beginning of the song. It'll show up one more time in the middle, ta, ta, 8 times. Now the chorus, we're gonna walk to the right. We're gonna go right, left, double right, and pump. We're gonna take it 3 down steps. Down, down, down. Opposite foot goes left, right, double left, and pump, down, down, down. Now this is much easier to do with the music, but we'll show it facing the front. We start right, left, double right, and chest, low, 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 left, right, double, and chest, low, low, low. Now his hands are just serving up, out, out with the palms. And we're gonna pull the elbows back as we pop the chest. Pa, pa, ta, ta. Next section, we're gonna take it up to the mirror. It's a step touch, and then 2 walks. It goes right, touch, left, touch, 2 walks. And then it goes out, out, in. To go back, right, touch, left, touch, 2 walks back, out, out, in. Facing the front. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. We're gonna step on the right foot. We're gonna jump off the right foot and throw the arms down. We're gonna walk back. Left, right, opposite diagonal. Left, throw, back, back, right, throw, back, back, left, throw, back, back. We're really gonna take off and throw those arms. Ta, 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 ta. We're gonna repeat again, going to the mirror. It's a step touch. Then we're gonna throw 3 times. And on the 3rd time, we're gonna take it around with a little shake. So the second time through, we go step, touch, front, front, out, out, in. You can add arms here, wherever you like. Step, step, out, out, in. This is the second time through. Throw, pop, pop, left, throw, top, top, right, throw, top, top, shake, shake, shake from the top. Walking, double right, and pump. Low, 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 left, right, double left, and pop. 1, 2, 3. Again to the right and to the left. Great. In the middle, we're going to bring back that step from the beginning. That step, step, double, step, step, double. One more time. Step, step, double. We're going to lick the hands. Lick, don't really lick your hands. Lick around the body and down. We're going to take it towards the mirror. Nice and sexy. Bouncing the booty. And we're going to take it back with the hips, back, 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 back. Show it facing the front. We go single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double, lick, lick, hands, down, up, 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 up. And then take it back, hips, 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 hips. Now it's time to loosen up the buttons. Take it up towards the mirror. We go step together, walking back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Imagine you have a shirt with buttons on it. We're unsnapping those buttons. 3, 4. To the front. We go 1, hit, 1, hit, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2. 2 more times. Last one. Tap, tap. From the top. We walk. Right, left, double, right. Ba, ba. Repeat to the left. So there's only one thing that changes at the end. When we do these step forwards and those 4 snaps, the last time around we're going to do it around the world. I'll show it. Go to the front and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, snap. 5, 6, 7 to the side. Hit, hit, and nice and sharp on those hips. snap, buttons. One more time. Snap, 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 snap. And to finish, you can take off your shirt, take off those pants. It all depends where you are. So that's all the sections. Let's dance it.